Hi, friends. Namaste. Jenny Wise here from Wise Mind Yoga, Science, and Soul. And I want to get on here for a moment to just share with you that we have a masterclass coming up tomorrow at noon Eastern Time, and it's going to be about burnout prevention and restoration. And the reason why this is so important as a mission for Wise Mind Yoga is for my own personal journey, and also because of what's happening in the world right now in this pandemic, of helping people not get to a place of burnout. And this was something that was the case before this all happened. So in 2013, I ended up with burnout in my own personal journey with depression, anxiety, insomnia, and I had to take a break from work, which I'd never done. And then in 2016, I started my own business of taking over a yoga studio, and I got to see firsthand what happens when you don't take care of your stress and what that leads to. So I actually ended up losing my hearing on my right side, and I was diagnosed with an autoimmune disease called Hashimoto's. And so I really have honed stress resilience and a self-awareness skill of taking into account the amount of energy that you're spending, right? Because when you're diagnosed with an autoimmune disease, you only have so much energy in any given day to expend. And so just making this connection between stress resilience and what stress can do to the mind and body. And oftentimes when we're in that place of fight or flight, when we're in that place of going 150 miles an hour, we don't make that connection of what that chronic stress, what that cortisol and adrenaline and all those toxins that go into our body, if we don't get rid of those, if we don't release those, or if we don't keep the immune and the nervous system grounded, what can happen on the other side, right? Whether that's a diagnosis of depression, anxiety, cancer, autoimmune disease, however that manifests. So again, Thursday, June the 18th at noon Eastern Time, we will do the Burnout Restoration and Prevention Masterclass in our Facebook group. We also are going to go live next week on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And we're doing a 5-day Heal and Detox for Success Masterclass. And we're going to get a lot more into the mindset of a CEO and stress resilience and a lot of other pieces that play in to this. So this is a quick picture of the workbook that we've created. It's a 7-page workbook that we have notes that you can take and homework that you'll have every day to follow along. And it's very valuable free content. We've actually pulled in content from over 3 years and 3,000 students that will be pulled into this masterclass that we're doing next week. So again, you can go to healdetoxsuccess.com in order to register. You also can go to wisemindyoga.com and register there as well. So we are sending you love and light. We're sending you blessings. I hope that you are doing well in this pandemic. I hope you're calm. I hope you are safe. And we are here to help teach you stress resilience and mindfulness and meditation and yoga psychology, and to change the patterns that aren't serving you anymore, that's adding to your stress, like your stress story. So we will see you soon. Namaste.